Hello world, in today's video we're going to be creating a graphical user interface in Python, and we're going to be using GUIZERO to do this. So the first thing you want to do is install GUIZERO, the GUIZERO library. You can do that just by doing pip install GUIZERO, and that's all you're going to need for this. I'm using Visual Studio Code today. I normally just use idle just to keep it nice and clean and so you can see what's going on. But today I have decided to use Visual Studio Code. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to, from the GUIZERO library, we are going to import, and we're going to import app, comma, text. Okay, app and text. That's all we want for now. Okay, so then from that, we're going to create a variable called app. We're going to equal it to app and give it a title. And I'm going to call it, what shall I call it? I shall call it first GUI. First GUI. And that's all I want for there. So the title is very much, if you know HTML, on the top of the browser, you get the little title. Same sort of thing for our GUI window. And it's just going to say first GUI. So we're going to create a message and we're going to equal that to text. And it's going to be on the app and it's going to be text. And it's going to say something like this. Oh, this is a GUI. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do for now. And oh, I need it to run. So I'm going to type app.display. And then we want to open and close the parentheses. Okay. And that will display the window. So I'm going to save it and click run. Oh, syntax error. Where is my syntax error? Ah, forgot the equals. There we go. Equals, save and run. There we go. So we've got our graphical user interface window. You can see up here the title, first GUI. Okay, and this is a GUI. So we're going to add some text into the GUI to start with. So what we're going to do is we're going to create first message. Can't even type today. First message, and that's going to be equal to text. And it's going to be app, comma, and then text. And let's not forget the equal, or the assignment, I should say. And that's going to assign a string, and it's going to say this is large text, just like that. And then we'll have a second message, and we're going to equal that to text, and that's going to be in the app, and it is of course text again. I'm going to equal, and we'll say, what should we say? This is white text. Okay, so how do we actually get this to do what we want? So let's see what that does at the moment. So let's just run that. So you can see this is a GUI, this is large text, this is white text, but it's not large text and it's certainly not white text. So we need to make sure we tell it what we want those to be. So to do that, I'm simply going to say first message dot, and we want text size, and we're going to equal that to, let's say, 40 points. Okay, and then we'll do the second message at the same time. Second message dot text color, and we will set that to white, and that needs to be in speech marks. So white, like so. And let's save and run. Now, because the text is actually white, but because it's on a white background, we can't see it. So we can use second message dot background, or BG, and we can set that to let's see if black. Save and run. And there we go. You can see we've got a nice little black background around that text. So hopefully this has piqued your interest. So I'm going to do several other videos just on how we can adapt this and how we can get some different elements going with the GUI. So do hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you don't miss out on the next video. I will be completely honest, I really like GUIZERO. I think it is extremely easy to use and to get started with. So do come back and check out the next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.